This might be one of the coolest places I've ever been to, no pun intended. On my attempt to ride Section 1 of the Washington WABDR on my DR650, I stopped at this interesting spot, the ice caves in Gifford Pinchot National Forest near Mount Adams. It's super easy to get to, no crazy hike through the forest, just a short walk from the parking area. These caves were formed from lava tubes left behind by volcanic eruptions thousands of years ago. Snow and ice collect inside, and since the caves stay cool all year round, it basically becomes nature's freezer. Just don't forget a headlamp. It gets pitch black in there and some parts are super slick. It is definitely worth a stop if you're riding or road tripping through the southern Washington area. Thanks for watching and stay boundless.